Hello and welcome to glittershinenails. I recently purchased some more of the Your Sugar stamping plates, and featuring in this video is two of the rectangular stamping plates that I purchased. You can find all the information on where I purchased them from and plate numbers in the description box below. Before we get started, please subscribe to my channel and make sure you have the bell notification turned on. And please also like this video. These really do help out my channel, thank you. The first Your Sugar stamping plate is UR-L006, and I'll be using my Nail Artisan Tiffany Duo stamper and scraper. I have 5 coloured nail tips and I'll be using 3 of them for UR-L006, and I'll be starting with the white tip. I also have this gorgeous green stamping polish. Now, because this is a extra long image, I'm using some more polish than I would normally, just to make sure that I'm covering the whole of the image. However, this is an absolute stunning swatch. It's so pretty. For the second swatch, I'm going to be using an orange nail tip, and I'm going to be using a red stamping polish for this design. Now, one thing I will say about this plate is there is a lot of very thin lines, so I'm being extra careful when using UR-L006, but again, it's a stunning design. For the third swatch, I'm going to be using a green nail tip along with a white stamping polish. With this swatch, you'll see what I mean about the fine lines. The bottom of this swatch has stamped really well, but the top of it hasn't. And this has happened to me with fine line designs before. So moving on to UR-L007, and I'm going to be taking 2 swatches. First, starting with a nudie brown nail tip, and I'll be using a dark brown stamping polish. Now, I personally think this design would look so cool with all of these coloured in. There is so much going on in this image too. For the next swatch, I'm going to be changing stampers to this smaller one, and I'm going to be using a silver nail tip along with black stamping polish. I'm going to swatch 2 of the really small designs. Now, any of the excess I will remove with my lint roller before placing the image down. Again, these would look amazing and really come to life with some added colour. The tiger is just so adorable with so much detail. Hopefully this will show you the size of these small images for your nails. And then here they are all together. So let's move on to the photo swatches and manis that I have created from these Your Sugar stamping plates. UR-L006 is full of amazing flower designs. The details that are in these images is just amazing. However, as I said in the video swatching, because of the very fine lines, they can be an issue when using them. I found that I've had to work quicker because there isn't much polish on these fine lines. Also, when placing them down, they can also leave flyaway pieces of polish that can and will go onto the nail. I've had this happen quite a bit. One thing I really want to do with these designs is to add some colour to the flowers, really bring them to life. UR-L006 will be an amazing spring and summer floral mani plate. The Your Sugar stamping plates are really well engraved. They don't quite eat my cotton wool, but they're not far from it. So for the mani, I went for a spring mani and used a pale green nail polish and 2 of the images using white stamping polish. Now, I did add some glitter over the top of the green nail polish, and to be honest, I really wished I hadn't. For me, it spoilt it. So I like this mani, but I also don't like this mani. UR-L007 is an animal inspired plate, and it's absolutely packed full of great animal designs, ranging from the tiny paw prints to the large animal prints. For the large designs, I've used the same stamper as I did with the other stamping plate, my Nail Artisan Tiffany Duo stamper. But for the smaller designs, I've used the small clear stamper. Again, it's really engraved, and also there is loads of detail in the images. As always, I've swatched all of the images, so this will show you the size of the small ones for your nails. This has created 28 swatches in total. Now, I've only taken one swatch from the really large mixed dog image in the middle, but I could have, to be honest, taken more, but I only went with one. A lot of the smaller images, I don't think I have anything in my collection like them, and I love the tiny ones along the bottom. They're very unique, but then I think the whole plate is quite unique, to be fair. Some of the smaller images could also be coloured in, like the zebra, the sheep and the chickens. But I have to say, this is a really easy plate to use as well. To be fair, they're both easy plates to use. I'm really impressed with how all of these swatches look, even with all of the really tiny unique detail in the images. They've all come out fantastic, and to be honest, I'm quite excited to return to this plate to see what other manis that I can come up with, because I absolutely love the one I'm about to show you. So on to that mani. Now, I have never ever made a animal print mani before, but I have to say I absolutely love how this one has turned out. I've also taken a closer picture as well, so you can see all that detail going on behind on the base polish. But I just had an idea of making a leopard print mani, and I just went with it. This was not the original plan I had in place. Now, I have used Flexi because I've used gel polish. I don't actually own very many brown polishes to have pulled this off, but I adore this. All of my swatches from the live and photo swatches and my manis will be over on my Instagram in the next few days, with more details about what I've used for the manis. My Instagram page link is in the description box below for you. Thank you for viewing my swatch review on these two Your Sugar stamping plates. I hope you've enjoyed it. If you did, then please give me a thumbs up. I would really appreciate it. Comment below. I love to hear from you. Hit that subscribe button and share. Also, don't forget to come over and follow me on my Instagram page at glittershinenails. So until next time, happy stamping and bye.